Hey, hi everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this denim jacket which I had made out of old jeans. It hardly took around 30 to 40 minutes for me to complete both the cutting part and sewing. So let's move on to the video. This is the pant which we are about to use, and you can see guys the edges are not good, so cut off the edges. Now open this part of the pant from the bottom of the leg to the crotch area. Here I'm using scissor. You can even use seam ripper to open the stitches. If you are in short of cloth, as I'm having enough of cloth, I'm using scissors. I'd completely open both the legs. Now place both the legs one over the other. Now take any sleeveless shirt and fold it into half and place it over the bottom part of the leg. And I want the jacket to be of 20 inches length. So I'd place the shirt accordingly on the pant. And start tracing the pattern. And one more thing guys, as the shirt is a bit loose for me, I am drawing according to the shape of the shirt. And if you are taking a fit size, just add 1 inch on the seam side here and then cut it off. The shoulder length I have taken is 2.5 inches and the armhole I had increased the length for 1 inch. Join the curve. On the sides I have taken around 7 inches. Now start drawing a curve from the shoulder to the middle point of the bottom and join it to the side seam. And then cut the shape accordingly. Now we are done with the cutting of the front part of a jacket. This is how it looks. Now we have to do it for the back. For this you need to take one front part and fold the triangle part inside like this, and this will be the length of our jacket on the back side. Mine it's like nearly 17 inches. Now place this on the remaining part of the jeans and start tracing the pattern, the armhole, shoulders, the side seams, and for the bottom length, take the length of your shirt, that is the half length of your shirt, and mark it over the jacket. And join it to form a V shape. Now cut off the shape accordingly. Now we are done with the one part of our jacket. We need to do one more like this. Place the wrong side out on the remaining part of the jeans and trace the shape and cut it accordingly. Now we are done with the back side of our jacket. Now start hemming by putting a double fold like this for the open flaps armhole and to the back neckline, and join the two parts by stitching it like this. This is how we usually stitch a double fold. Here you can see it clearly. After hemming, this is how it looks, both the front part and the back part. Now place the back side of the jacket over the front side and join the shoulders by giving it a straight stitch. Now for the back side of the jacket, we need to attach a strip like this over the neckline, joining both the shoulders like this. Now fold the both ends of the strip inside and give it off a straight stitch to form a strip like this, and attach this to the shoulders. Attach the strip to the back part after joining the shoulders of the front and back portions of the jacket. And this is how it looks after sewing. Now place a net fabric over the wrong side of the back part of the jacket and stitch it along the neckline, covering the strip. And this is how it looks when we are done with the stitching part. And cut off the extra cloth. Now for the designing part of our jacket, we need a strip like this. Cut the strip. Now cut these two smaller strips of uniform length and place it over the front and back side of your jacket. And give them a straight stitch. And this is how it looks after stitching. Now join the side seams of your jacket by giving it a straight stitch. And now we need to stitch the buttons on the open flaps of the jacket on one side, and the other side we need to make a buttonhole. If you don't have an option in your sewing machine, you can get it done outside. And these are the metal beads which I will be sewing on the ends of the strips. As I ran short of beads, I haven't done for the back side. I have done it only for the front portion. And that's it guys, this is the final look of our jacket. Hope you guys liked today's video. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. And thank you for watching.